Okay, real quick, before we get this video started officially, I just wanted to let you know if you want to see this product in use, I will have a demo at the very end using one of these cloths. So stick around if you want to see how it actually removes this face of makeup that you see on me right now, okay? So yeah, let's get to it. Hey there, welcome to my channel. You're here today because I'm going to tell you about my experience using the Erase Your Face reusable makeup removing cloth for sensitive skin. Why is everything so long these days? Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Erase Your Face. Okay, I picked it up at Kmart and it was like a few dollars. I don't know, like $4 or $5. They've got this very convincing image down here in the bottom corner. See this lady right here, and see half of her lipstick is off and then half of it is still on because they used the Erase Your Face towel. So it is by a company called Danielle Creations. There's 4 towels. I have lost one of them already, just like a sock in the dryer. It is never to be seen again. It's 100% polyester, water activated. I thought, let me just try out these super cheap ones at Kmart because I can. And they were right in front of me and they weren't very expensive. And because of their size, they're kind of big. So here's the purple, the blue, and the pink. The one that I lost is the black one. And let me kind of show you how big it is. So, my kitten likes to chew on things and she got a hold of this one. So there's a hole in it now. But this is the size of it. Is quite big, I think. And I like the idea that you could potentially use, it's big enough to where you could use one end one day and then the other side the other day, or you can just use it like this and get it all over your face. So I like the idea that, you could get kind of 2 face washes out of one cloth. So with 4 cloths, that could get me through the whole week. Now, when I first used them, I did just get them damp. I found that it was a little bit better if I used warm water versus cold water. So I got this whole thing soaked. I, squished it to where, because it almost feels like the water kind of just slides off it. So you kind of have to squish it while you're running it under the water. And then what you do is you just get the towel and just wipe your makeup off your face without using any type of face soap. I kind of really like that a whole lot. So this could take off a majority of your makeup first, and then you're using a significantly less amount of face cleanser on your skin. So it'll help you cut back on how frequently you are replacing your face wash or makeup removers or everything like that. And this also works at removing your mascara too. Now, I don't use anything that's waterproof or anything like that, but I do put a full face of makeup on and I find that I have no problems getting my mascara off either. So all I do, which they suggest with most makeup removing reusable wipes, is you just get it wet and then hold it, you're gonna hold it onto your skin, onto your eye, and then just kind of slowly start gently moving it around your eye to have the makeup removed. And it does work. So I do most of my makeup removing with this, and then I rinse it out, hang it up, and then I just go in with a little bit of face wash and just kind of do like a once over, and my face is super clean. So it's a double cleansing method, I think, without having to use more product. So if you want to cut back on the amount of stuff you're buying to take your makeup off at the end of the day, I do suggest something like a reusable face cloth. The downside to this particular brand, I have to tell you, is they start to release like fuzz on your skin. I've been using these for a few months now, and finally when I used one the other day, I was washing my face, doing the whole routine, and when I was done, I was looking closely in the mirror and I was like, wait, what is this? And so I was like peeling blue fuzz off my face. So that was kind of super annoying. And then it was pilling off, not pilling off, but I guess pilling off, and it was getting in my eye. This inexpensive brand, while it was great to try, they're starting to kind of break down. And I will tell you how I wash them is I washed them in the wash in cold, and I didn't use fabric softener on them. I mean, I tried to take care of them as best as I could, but the fabric and the material is just kind of breaking down. I guess if you're considering a makeup removing reusable towel, maybe invest in a better pair. I think this set was like around $5. So it was super cheap, but effective for what it's worth. Did they make any other promises here? Let's see. The cloth has the ability to remove all types of cosmetics, including waterproof mascara. Now, I didn't test it on waterproof because I don't have any. It does a great job at removing mascara, and you don't feel like you're abusing your eyelashes. I gave it the good college try with the generic brand of reusable makeup removing cloths, but I'm glad I got to give them a try, and I do hope this video was a helpful review for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget, if you enjoy this type of content, which is fast and helpful, please give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video, that will be about 1 time a week. That's just what my schedule allows. Hit that subscribe button on your way out so you can be informed the next time I post something online. So with that said, I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are, and I hope to see you around here soon. Until then, take care. Bye! Okay, so thanks for sticking around, and now you get to see this thing in action. I already went and got this one wet. It's nice and warm. I wrung out most of the water, so it's really damp, but it's not like dripping all over the place. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hold this over my eye. And I'm just gonna gently kind of massage this off. And it looks like I'm pulling at my skin, but I really am being very, very gentle. So you can already see this is the eye makeup off of my eye. I'm just looking down at an actual mirror to get more of my makeup off. So that was just me doing this, and you see all that come off. Now getting the rest of my makeup off, and this is not taking any effort at all, you guys. It's super, super easy. I'm just avoiding the lipstick because I don't want to smear that all over my face. Actually, just wipe that off. Okay, so yeah, you see a little bit of raccoon eye madness happening, but that's when you can go in and kind of do the very light detail work with actual eye makeup remover and a Q-tip, or if you want to then use your face cleanser and just kind of do a once over. I've actually, see, this is already peeling off. Okay, see, I've actually just used this and not cleanser after, and my skin still felt okay. Now, I wouldn't do that all the time because I do feel it needs a little bit of cleanser to get everything off, but taking the time to have this pull off everything. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of this detail work, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've finished using the towel on my face. So what I'm doing is, sorry, just kind of, I'm using the Clinique Clarifying Lotion Twice a Day Exfoliator. And usually if I'm not really good at cleaning my face, when I go to do this step, the cotton ball will be dirty. So I just put a little bit of the toner on my face, and I'm running it over my skin, and it's still pretty dang clean. I think I just didn't go far enough over. So this is where I first kind of just started pulling off some makeup, but it was this part of my face, and I bet you I just did not go that far over to this area. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And yeah, there's no makeup coming off anywhere else on my face, so I just think I wasn't really good at wiping that part of my face down. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you was I've got a Q-tip here, and I've got some eye makeup remover. So I'm just dipping it. I just dipped it into the end, soaked it a little bit. I'm just going to go along my lash line and see if I pull up some mascara, and I know I will because that doesn't take everything off, but what a difference, right? So here I am taking the rest of my eye makeup off with just a Q-tip. This, I mean, that's it. I'm done. Just kind of taking the excess off, and there you go. It's not perfect, but it's pretty dang good. So there it is. Now you really see how effective these face towels are. Makeup removing face towels are pretty darn good to use. So hope this was helpful for you. Okay, bye again.